In this video, we look at the major rise of many of gold's ratios versus its main comparable assets. Looking at the average of gold's ratios versus several major assets and comparing it to the medium-term average from 2021 to 2025 for those ratios gives some indication of the relative under or overvaluation versus the metal. The gold to oil ratio has risen significantly over the past year and is farther above the 2021 to 2025 average than any of the other ratios, on a substantial increase in global oil output, which has seen the price plunge while gold has jumped. The rise in oil has also been a main driver of the rise in the CRB commodities index, with its ratio to gold also well above the medium-term average. While the copper price struggled over the first half of 2025, keeping the gold to copper ratio just below the average, the gain over the past few months has seen the ratio rise moderately above the average. Gold's ratio to platinum and silver were above the average at the beginning of this year, but have now declined below the average on the strong gains in these metals. This is similar to gold's ratio to the GDX ETF of large gold producers and GDXJ ETF of juniors, which were significantly above the average on the metal's strength at the start of the year versus relatively low stock prices. However, these stocks have jumped substantially since the middle of the year, and the ratios are now considerably below the average. For more on gold and other metals and mining stocks, click the link in the description or bio below to go to www.canadianminingreport.com. Canadian Mining Report is not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice.